Stiff spine? Locked hips? Shoulders slumped from yesterday? Let's reset before it stacks up. This isn't just another stretch, it's a full body release to clear stress, deepen breath, and bring your posture back to life. And by the end, you'll feel lighter, clearer, and more grounded than you have in days. Come to all fours, shoulders stacked over wrists, hips over knees. On your inhale, arch the back, drop the belly, lift the chest. On your exhale, round the spine, tuck the chin, press the ground away. This isn't just about your back, it's the foundation for your nervous system reset. You'll see how this unlocks more than mobility in a moment. Move slow and intentionally. Let the breath guide the spine. Beginners, keep movement gentle. Advanced stretches, deepen the curve with your breath. Here's a secret. This move stimulates spinal fluid flow, which boosts alertness. Here's a little challenge. Match your breath to your spine. 5 more deep cycles. Feel disconnected? Slow down. Awareness leads to release. Now that the spine is awake, let's go deeper. From all fours, inhale your right arm to the sky. Exhale, thread it under the left. Rest your shoulder and temple on the mat. Hips stay high. This stretch targets your thoracic spine, where emotional tension loves to hide. You'll be surprised what this releases if you stay present. Reach long with your right fingers. Use your left hand to press and twist deeper. Beginners, keep the left hand grounded for support. Advanced stretches, reach your left hand forward for a deeper stretch. Tight upper backs can block your breathing. Stay here. Breathe through 5 more seconds. Can you feel that unraveling across your shoulder blade? Let's restore the other side. Inhale your left arm up. Exhale, thread it under the right. Rest into the twist. This side might feel more restricted. Stay curious. What's coming next is going to feel even more satisfying now that the space is open. Keep hips high. Breathe into your rib cage. Last 5 seconds. Deepen the breath. Feeling lopsided? That imbalance is exactly what this flow addresses. We just unlocked your upper back, now let's open the hips. Lie down, cross your right ankle over your left knee. Grab behind your left thigh and gently pull it toward your chest. Your glutes are the powerhouses of your body, but if they're tight, they just shut down your mobility everywhere else. Flex the right foot to protect your knee. Gently rock if that feels good. Beginners, keep the left foot on the floor. Advanced stretches, pull in closer and hold. Tight glutes can pull on your lower back. 5 more seconds. Breathe into the tension. Is that intensity creeping in? That's where change begins. Balance it out on the other side. Same setup. Left ankle over your right knee. Pull it in and let the hips melt open. You'll thank yourself in a minute when the spine decompresses and the breath flows freer. This side might feel looser or tighter. Both are valid. Notice the difference between sides? That's your real baseline showing. Now it's time to ease the spine. You'll feel the shift right away. Roll onto your belly, elbows under your shoulders, forearms grounded. Lift your chest and soften the glutes. Gaze forward or close your eyes. This stretch counters all the forward flexion we live in and gently reminds your lower back to breathe. Press slightly into your forearms. Lift the heart. Beginners, keep the legs wide for more support. Advanced stretches, press palms down and extend to seal pose. A healthy spine isn't just flexible, it's supported by breath. Give this 5 more seconds of stillness. Feeling a pinch? Back off and focus on length, not height. You've opened front to back. Now let's reset your posture completely. From standing or kneeling, clasp your hands behind you. Roll your shoulders down and back. Lift your chest as you gently press the hands away from your back. This stretch brings everything together: spine, shoulders, breath, and intention. Think heart forward, shoulder blades hugging. Beginners, hold a towel behind your back. Advanced stretches, fold forward while keeping your hands lifted. Opening the chest boosts lung capacity and confidence. One more breath. Hold for 5, 4, 3. Feel more upright. You just reset your baseline. You didn't just stretch. You grounded, you realigned. Your spine, your hips, your breath, they're flowing again. But if you're heading into hours at a desk, that reset won't hold on its own. That's why I created the 3-day reset, a free daily plan to keep your body aligned, pain-free, and moving with ease all day long. Click the link in the description or pin comment before that tension settles back in. You've realigned, and let's stay there together.